Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use stream mode in Google AI Studio. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser and log in with your Google account. Make sure you are signed in so you can access all the features. Next, look at the left menu and click on Playground. This will take you to the main area where you can interact with different AI tools. In the center of the screen, you will see several options such as Gemini, Live, Images, and more. Click on the Live option. After that, a model name will appear below the Live option. Click on the model name to select it. Now your live mode is ready. When live mode is open, you will see three options: Talk, Webcam, and Share Screen. Choose the one you prefer. For example, click on Share Screen. Once you click Share Screen, you will see three choices. You can share a single Chrome tab, a window that is open on your computer, or your entire screen. Select the option that works best for what you want to show. Then click Share to start sharing your screen. Now you can show anything to Gemini. You can ask questions, get explanations, or show a project or document. Gemini will respond and help you in real time based on what you are sharing. Thanks for watching.